Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you a few ways so you can quickly check your PC specs on Windows 11. So the first way is to simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and go ahead and click on Settings. Now from here, click on System on the left hand side, scroll down towards the bottom and you will find About. Click on that. And from here, you'll find your system specifications here on your Windows PC. So here you can see my storage, you can see my graphics card, my RAM, you can see my processor. If I scroll on a bit, you can see my PC name, my processor here in details, device ID, product ID, system type, and all those good info that you can find here. Here you scroll on a bit as well, you can see the current version of Windows and all these good stuff right here, guys. Now let me show you another way how you can check this. Now, the next way you can do this is to simply click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and simply type in System Info. You'll find system information. You click on that, and this is going to give you a more detailed, full overview of your Windows. So you can easily scroll down and find all the different information here about Windows. And the cool thing is that you have System Summary here, then you have where it goes into the hardware, so you can expand each of these. You can see components and you can see software environment and all those good stuff. So when you're talking about every single thing about Windows, you can find from here, from this graphical user interface. Now, the next and final way that I'm about to share with you is by simply right clicking the Windows icon in the taskbar and click on Task Manager. And on the left hand side, just simply click on performance, and here you'll find some more specification about your Windows. So let me expand that. Here you can see your CPU, your memory, your disk right here, your Wi-Fi, as you can see, GPU. You look to the bottom right here, you can see your uptime of your PC, processor, and all those good stuff. And it doesn't stop there. You can click on details as well, and you can see more information about PC. Current running applications right here. You can see services that are currently running and ones that are stopped on your PC right here. You can see users right here as well, how much user you have on your PC. If it's only one, you can see the usage as well, the CPU, the memory, the disk, the network right here. And of course, you have your startup application, your application history, your processor, and all those good stuff. This is very useful information that you can find all about your PC. This is slightly different from the ones that you see before, but if you're speaking about active usage on your PC, on those specs and how they're being used at the moment, this is where you can see all of those good stuff. And that's basically it, guys. I really hope you found this useful. If you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.